Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. If you've ever dreamed of taking luxury on the road, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome might just turn that dream into a reality. Combining German engineering, cutting-edge technology, and the comfort of a high-end hotel suite, this motorhome redefines what's possible in mobile living. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to explore van life, this vehicle brings a level of sophistication and performance that's hard to ignore. From the outside, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome maintains the sleek, recognizable design language of the brand. The body lines are clean and aerodynamic, which not only adds to the aesthetics but also improves fuel efficiency. The front fascia borrows from the updated Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van, with a bold grille, LED matrix headlights, and chrome accents that subtly hint at the luxury waiting inside. The large panoramic windshield not only enhances the road view but also adds a futuristic flair. Even the side mirrors have integrated cameras that feed into the 360-degree view system, giving drivers a comprehensive awareness of their surroundings. Step inside, and you're immediately immersed in what can only be described as a modern, mobile luxury suite. The cabin is designed with top-tier materials like real wood veneers, brushed aluminum finishes, and soft-touch leather seating. Ambient lighting runs along the floor and ceiling lines, customizable in color and intensity to match your mood. The open layout is designed to maximize space and flow. There's a lounge area with a retractable 55-inch OLED TV, a convertible dining table, and ultra-comfortable reclining seats that are both heated and ventilated. One of the standout features is the fully equipped kitchen. It includes a convection microwave oven, an induction cooktop, a full-size refrigerator with a freezer compartment, and even a built-in espresso machine, because Mercedes knows luxury travelers don't compromise on coffee. The countertops are made of solid surface Corian, giving it a clean and premium look while being easy to maintain. Storage is clever and abundant, with soft close drawers and magnetic latches to keep everything in place while driving. In terms of the sleeping arrangements, the 2026 Motorhome offers multiple configurations. The most popular option includes a queen-sized Murphy bed that folds out over the lounge area, complete with a memory foam mattress and LED reading lights. In larger configurations, you can also opt for a fixed rear bedroom suite with sliding privacy doors. There's also an optional pop-up roof section, providing additional sleeping space for kids or guests without sacrificing floor space. The bathroom area is another marvel. It's a full wet bath setup, meaning the entire room can be used as a shower space. It features a rain-style showerhead, porcelain toilet, a backlit mirror, and even a small washer-dryer combo unit built into the cabinetry. Hot water is provided instantly through a tankless system powered by the onboard lithium-ion battery array and a supplemental propane backup. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood is a 3.0-liter inline-six turbo diesel engine paired with Mercedes 9G Tronic automatic transmission. It delivers around 190 horsepower and 440 Nm of torque. While those numbers may not sound race-ready, they're more than enough to smoothly haul this luxury home on wheels. The ride quality is where this motorhome really shines, thanks to Mercedes' adaptive air suspension system. Whether you're gliding over highway asphalt or venturing onto gravel roads, the suspension automatically adjusts to provide maximum comfort and stability. Fuel economy, while never the main selling point in motorhomes, is surprisingly decent. The 2026 model averages around 15 to 18 mpg, depending on load and driving conditions. Mercedes has also included a mild hybrid system that regenerates power during braking and deceleration, which slightly improves efficiency and powers many of the onboard electronics when the engine is off. Technology integration is another area where this vehicle goes above and beyond. The central infotainment system runs on Mercedes' latest MBUX interface with voice control, touchscreen navigation, and smartphone mirroring. You can control most of the motorhome's features, like lighting, climate, audio, and slide-outs, via the central screen or a dedicated mobile app. There are USB-C and wireless charging points all around the interior, along with smart speakers embedded in the ceiling for a surround sound experience. On the safety side, Mercedes has included their full suite of driver assistance features. That includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and trailer sway control. There's also an optional self-parking assist feature, which can be a game changer for maneuvering into tight camping spots or urban parking spaces. Another unique highlight is the integrated solar roof panels. These aren't just for show, they provide enough power to charge the house batteries, run some of the essential systems like lighting and refrigeration, and even feed into the lithium battery pack when stationary. For those who love to boondock or go off-grid, this feature significantly extends your self-sufficiency. Combined with a 100-gallon fresh water tank and 75-gallon gray and black tanks, you can comfortably live off the grid for several days without hookups. Noise insulation is another often overlooked but important feature. Mercedes has gone to great lengths to ensure this vehicle is whisper quiet while driving and sleeping. Triple sealed doors, sound dampening panels, and acoustic glass all contribute to one of the quietest interiors in its class. What really sets the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome apart, though, is its sense of cohesion. Everything feels purposefully designed and integrated, from the powertrain to the furniture layout to the tech stack. Unlike many RVs where you can tell that different components were sourced from different places and stitched together, this motorhome feels like a single, unified product, a luxury vehicle first, and a motorhome second. Of course, all this luxury comes at a price. The base model starts at around $185,000, and with most of the desirable options ticked, you're easily looking at $220,000 or more. But for those who can afford it, this isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in lifestyle, freedom, and comfort. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or simply want to weekend in style, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome offers a truly premium experience. In conclusion, Mercedes has taken its reputation for excellence and extended it to the world of motorhomes with a product that's elegant, functional, and loaded with features. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying every mile in between.